with the announcement for Scotch Award, the moment which everyone has very anxiously awaited in last 6 months, ever since you put in your nomination for the Scotch Award. I have the pleasure of announcing the first recipient of Scotch Award for Digital Economy in the silver category. That goes to Railtel Corporation for e-Office, Mr. Puneet Chawla, Chairman and Managing Director. The next award in the silver category, Response to COVID, goes to Power Grid Corporation of India, Mr. Ajay Holani, Senior General Manager. Environment and Sustainability, silver, goes to the Shipping Corporation of India for implementation of IMS across entire fleet. This is H.K. Joshi, Chairman and Managing Director.
Thank you, Scotch, so very much for this honor. We are overwhelmed, and I thank you on behalf of myself as well as on behalf of the Shipping Corporation of India. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, ma'am. I now invite Dr. Murari S. Kele, Managing Director, Tripura State Electricity Corporation Limited, for response to COVID.
Sir, thank you very much for the Scotch team for being selection for this prestigious award for response to COVID-19 for Tripura State Electricity Corporation. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Mr. Sanjay Kulshresht, Chief Engineer, Madhya Pradesh Power Transmission Company, for response to COVID, silver.
Congratulations.
Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, the Shashi Shankar, CMD, for response to COVID, silver. Response to COVID, the next silver goes to Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation, Mr. M. Thanarasan, Vice Chairman and Managing Director. Mr. Vinod Kumar Gaur, Chairman cum Managing Director for Corporate Excellence, National Seeds Corporation, the Silver Award for Agriculture, Seed Production and Marketing.
Thank you, Scott. Thank you, jury, and thank you, Chair, for selecting us and giving us this encouragement to perform better in future also. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Mr. Alok Yadav, Director, Department of Social Welfare, Bihar, for Integrated Child Development Services, Silver in Governance.
I thank you, Scotch team, for selecting ICDS for this prestigious award. This award will make our efforts in the right direction, and we further hope that in the next time to come, we will excel and we will fight for the gold. Thank you, Scotch.
Congratulations.
Professor Siddha Sattva Basu, Director, from CSIR IMMG Bhubaneswar, for design, development and dissemination of improved biomass stores.
Thank you, Scotch, for Silver Award for this innovative design of our chula, the cook stove, which we are primarily using in social sector. Although we are a CSIR lab, we work in the area of minerals, materials, but we are very active in the social sector. And this special smokeless chula, which works on wood briquettes, works 50% more efficient, and we have put it in Anganwadi, in villages, and also in homes, family of 4 or 5 or 8, the smaller chula. It's quite successful, and this award will go a long way, and it will actually enthuse us to work more towards the social sector. Thank you, Scott. Thank you once more, and the juries and those who voted for us. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Now in the gold category, Mr. Umesh Goyal, Executive Director, Information Systems.
Thank you, Scott. Very frankly, never expected this award. But in any case, thanks a lot for all the recognition, and that will definitely motivate us to perform even better. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Dr. D.C. Patra, Executive Director, Planning, Gold Award for Response to COVID, Excellence in Response to COVID-19.
Thank you. It's wonderful. It's simply wonderful that you have recognized the kind of service that BPCL is in touching the lives of the people, the business, and the entire country. And this recognition is really valued by us. Thank you once again, Scott. We love you.
Congratulations, Dr.
Congratulations.
Patra, and thank you so much for the lovely email that you had sent me.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Dr. Patra. I now invite Dr. Nalin Singhal, Chairman and Managing Director, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL, for Gold. Response to COVID, Project Cyber Security Resilience during COVID-19 pandemic.
Good evening. On behalf of my chairman, I very humbly accept this award. Thank you for this recognition. Being a manufacturing organization, normally these activities are slightly difficult for us, but our team magnificently rose to the occasion and made sure that our security remained intact and continues to remain intact. This kind of a recognition will go a long way in encouraging us to do better further. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Mr. Amit Kumar Ghosh, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, for Bhumi Rashi Kote, Gold Award in Governance. Mr. Ravinder Singh Dhillon, Chairman and Managing Director, Power Finance Corporation Limited, for Project for Relief Activities during COVID-19. Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Managing Director, Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation, for Business Continuity in COVID-19. Gold.
Thank you so much. Hello.
Yes, please, go ahead.
This is Hetal. Thank you so much on behalf of Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation. I really thank and we are really thrilled to have this award. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I now invite Mr. Rajiv Mehrotra, Chairman and Managing Director. Right.
Thank you, jury, and thank you, our team Scotch, for noticing our small efforts in possibly one of the most difficult times we have seen our lifetime. And I accept this on behalf of my team, which has really kept the essential services backup support going on throughout the country. Thank you very much for recognizing this.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
That was the last gold award which went to the rights. Now, Platinum, Mr. Rabindranath Roy, OSD and EO, Managing Director, Tantuja, West Bengal State Handloom Weavers Cooperative.
Thank you, Scotch Group and its jury. We are grateful for this award given to us. I express my gratitude on behalf of Tantuja and Tantuja Group for this recognition from your end to our great service to combat COVID-19. Thank you again. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Mr. Roy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, the next platinum, Air India, Aruna Gopalakrishnan, Executive Director, Corporate Communications for response to COVID.
Thank you very much, Coach. I am receiving it on behalf of Ms. Gopalakrishnan. Air India is really honored that Coach has chosen to recognize us. Air India continues to serve the nation with love and grace. We have our financial difficulties which are not hidden from anybody, but it is indeed a moment of pride for us. Thank you very much, Coach.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now invite Mr. Amar Verma, HR. Platinum, response to COVID.
Thank you, Scotch, and thanks to the jury. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, on behalf of our executive director, I really thank Scott's team and the juries for recognition of our effort of our people, which, if we look back, was very crucial because when the whole nation was under lockdown, we have to come out, our people have to come out and ensure the supply of electricity, which is the essential services. And this award will really reinforce our commitment towards the nation and its people. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
So this brings us to the end of this year's award ceremony, Scotch Award. So the 3 platinums, gold, and the silver, won by various beacons of hope. Your efforts have finally paid. So gentlemen and ladies, thank you very much for joining us. Let's quickly have one group picture of all the people present as well as the awardees. Kindly switch on your video. Keep your video on so that we can see all the faces and we will have a group photograph. Mr. Panda.
Yeah.
And Dr. Patra, you are missing.
Am I there?
Yes, you are there.
Okay.
You have to remove your hand. Yes.
Yes.
So we are going for a picture. NTPC. Yes, Dr. Patra, I can see you. All right. I'll take one more picture. It's looking quite nice. And here we go. Well, thank you so much for showing up, all your good faces. Very happy to see you all. Very happy to celebrate all your successes. A big round of applause for everyone.
Thank you.
Keep up the good work and look forward to seeing you once again. Doesn't mean to say that if one of your effort has been saluted, recognized, and been awarded at Scotch platform, this is the end of the road. You can always come back with more innovations, with the incremental progress that you make, because we are living in a dynamic world. And having to work so hard, now you know as to your efforts, you documented yourself, has created a history for the organization where you come from. So with this, I thank everyone. I thank Mr. Kocher for giving us the direction to reach at this stage. The entire Scotch team, they worked really extremely very hard, and to reach at this level wherein we are in a position to shower accolades to each other and celebrate each other's successes. Thank you very much for joining us, and look forward to see you.